Today, both the U.S. and China will enact tariffs on each other, and there's a new gold baron on the scene. With more on these stories is Hayley Woodin with business in Vancouver. Hayley, let's start with U.S. and China tariffs and the chance the tax will expand.
That's right. Goldman Sachs came out yesterday and said they see about a 60% chance that trade tensions between both countries will further escalate. As it stands as of today, the U.S. now has tariffs on $250 billion in Chinese goods. China, in turn, has tariffs on about $110 billion of American products. But the U.S. has threatened to increase the number of products it has tariffs on, more than doubling the number of products and the value of those products. What we could see by the end of the year would be tariffs rising from, say, 10% to 25%, so further challenging for companies who have trade between both countries. We could also see the U.S. move to impose tariffs on all imports from China. That would be a significant escalation. What would stop that, of course, would be a deal that's favorable to the U.S., but Beijing has not been willing to bow down to what it says is extreme pressure from the White House.
And so it continues. All right. And a golden era for a Canadian company buying up a rival. What can you tell us about this story?
That's right. This is a massive deal in mining. Barrick Gold buying Randgold resources. The merger will create the largest mining company in the gold space in the world. It's worth more than $18 billion, this merger. And once it goes through, Barrick shareholders will own about 2/3 of the company, and the company will control 5 of the top 10 gold mines in the world. So a very big deal in the space, and one that comes at a time where it's been a bit challenging for gold. The price of gold down about 9% this year, and both companies involved have taken a bit of a hit to their share price over the last year. So combining forces makes them an even stronger company, even in challenging times.
Wow. Thank you so much. That's Hayley Woodin joining us this morning with Business in Vancouver.